Welcome back. You're watching News Centre. After spending more than 5 months in jail, Supreme Court has granted bail to BRS leader Kavitha in the Delhi excise policy case. Apex Court has observed that the investigation is complete and the likelihood of a trial in the near future is impossible. Kavitha is the daughter of Bharatiya Rashtra Samiti founder and former Telangana Chief Minister K Rao. Ashmit Kumar joining us now with the details. Ashmit, do you think this is on expected lines after Manish Sisodia's bail? Was the case referred to by K Kavitha's lawyers?
Well, interesting observations that the court has passed in grant of bail. She has finally managed to secure bail, 5 months of arrest. She was arrested on March 15th. The interesting line of inquiry that the Apex Court has opened up, in fact, questioning and raising questions regarding the conduct of the ED and the CBI itself, saying that they're relying predominantly on statements that have been issued against her. There is no direct evidence so far that has been presented either by the ED or the CBI, and that is something that the Apex Court says is unsustainable. You cannot have an entire investigation and trial based merely on statements. Therein lies the second key takeaway from this order. The Apex Court noting that as far as the statements, even the statements that the ED and the CBI are relying on, they are statements of people who were initially accused, then turned approver, then issued incriminating statements against K Kavitha, and subsequently managed to get relief from the investigating agency. This practice that has been followed is something that the Apex Court has frowned upon, and with that, importantly, has granted bail. Now, looking ahead, two aspects to consider here. Number one, the fact that she's out on bail, again, significant from an investigation standpoint, from a legal standpoint. One aspect to appreciate here that these are similar concerns that have also been raised by the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. He too has raised concerns about how there is no direct evidence, how there is a heavy reliance on statements, especially coming from approvers who managed to secure relief after issuing incriminating statements against the Chief Minister. And that bail application, Kejriwal's bail application, is just a week away from now. Next Wednesday, September 5th, is when the Apex Court will be taking up his case as well for grant of bail.
All right. All eyes now on Arvind Kejriwal's bail application and how the Supreme Court sees that. Thank you very much, Ashmit, for joining us with that important update. On to the